Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection issues of your Nokia Go Earbuds 2 Plus. So this method is going to help you when you, for example, cannot connect them with your device, or for example when you have unstable connection. So first of all, you have to take them out of this charging case. And as you can see in my case, they are already in the pairing mode. The indicators are blinking, so they are activate to pair with any device. But right now we have to find the touch panel. It's located right here. Let me show you a little bit closer. As you can see, that's the touch control, and the same for this right earbud. And we have to click and hold them for 7 seconds until this indicators blinks red 3 times quickly. So let's do this right now. Let's click and hold the left, the right, and take a look for the indicators. As you can see, they blinks quickly red, and right now we have to do the same. So hold them together at the same time, but right now for 10 seconds until indicators blinks purple. So click and hold, take a look for the indicators. Okay, and right now release both touch controls. As you can see right now, they are blinking, the red and the blue, so it means that we are in the pairing mode. And right now when you open the Bluetooth settings on any device, you can find them on available devices list. The default name is set up to the Nokia True Wireless Sound 122. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.